This week on Yuppie and Puppy, we're taking a sailboat tour. We're in Seattle, Washington, and we're going to take a 22-foot Catalina Capri. Unless you have buddies with a sailboat, taking a sailboat tour with a dog pretty much means booking a private charter. Check with the tour company in advance.
Seattle, Washington. Almost America. It's the United States of America. How cool is that? Cool.
Can you undo it? There are 3 rules to sailing. Keep the water out of the boat, keep the people in the boat, and look good doing it. Right? Yeah. For your dog's comfort, it's a good idea to bring something for them to sit or stand on, like a dog mat or a yoga mat. Yeah, what do you want to talk about? Toby, do you want to go to the baseball game? Do you want to have a media, what do you call it, press release?
Don't see many boats like that. Powered catamaran.
Once you've taken a private tour and know what to expect from your dog, you can book with friends or in a group if everyone's cool with dogs. Have fun and see you on our next adventure.